Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to change the ringtone on your Poco F4. In the standard, when you're using your Poco F4, everybody has the same ringtone. So if you have people who also have the Poco F4, it will always sound the same. So perhaps it's great to change your own ringtone. And for that you must go here to the settings, and when you are here at the settings you go a little bit down to sound and vibration. And when you're in your sound and vibration, you can change here the volume from media, ringtones and alarm and a lot of other things. And you can also click here on ringtone and give your device a new look, see what themes has to offer, and you can use here this special themes which also provide some animations and so on. But I don't use them, so I click on exit, and you can see here it's the default ringtone. And you can also use acoustic guitar or Atlantis. Okay, Atlantis sounds great, so I will use Atlantis, and then you can see automatic here my ringtone is set to Atlantis. If you have a second SIM card in it, so the Poco F4 provides a place for 2 SIM cards, then you can change the ringtone for every different SIM card. So you can choose the ringtone Atlantis for your private calls and the standard ringtone for your business calls or for other ones. Of course, you can also change the sound for the alarm and for the notifications for the droplets, like here, or other ones here. Bottle, bullfrog, bubble. Okay, bubble sounds great. Okay, I will use the bubble for my sound. Yes, that is how you use and change the ringtone on your Poco F4. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.